Hello and welcome to the MASH video tutorial. In today's video tutorial we'll be showing you how to log an entry on the MASH Help Desk. MASH Help Desk stands for Merchandising, Assistance and Service Help Desk. Before we begin, you'll need to have your Worms login information handy. When you're ready to proceed, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to the Basil homepage. Once you have done this, move your mouse cursor over the Quick Links option. Once you have done that, you'll need to go to the bottom of that tab there where it says ERM Worms and click this button. This will navigate you to the Worms homepage. At this point, you'll need to enter in your username and password. Once you've successfully done so, you can either click the log on button or press enter to proceed. Once you've successfully logged into the Worms homepage, you will need to click on the MASH option, which can be located at the top of the bar here. There are two options, MASH Entry and MASH Review. In the MASH Review, that will be to review any information you have previously logged in, to review status and previously logged jobs, or click on MASH Entry, which will allow us to go to create a new entry. Once you've successfully logged into that screen, you will have four options to choose from: customer orders, general inquiries, PO issues, and stock request. While these screens are very similar, there are some subtle differences. For further details on what each of these screens do, you should refer to your Worms MASH login incident work instruction located on Basil. For the purpose of today's exercise, we'll be clicking on the PO issues tab. Once you've logged into this screen, there will be predefined information based on your user data, such as your requesting store. This will be the store that you were assigned to displayed here, which will be where the emails go as there are status updates. You can also put a requested by as a secondary user, the person who creates the order, and you can also enter that email, which will also be a secondary email where the emails will go to if there are any updates as well. Once you have updated that, you'll also need to, in this section, make sure you select the correct category that this is going to. Hit the select button and it'll bring up this pop-up screen which will have the various categories and brands. Scroll through the pages down the bottom here or use the filter at the top based on the information you're using. Please ensure you select the correct category because this will help ensure it gets to the appropriate team and is processed as quickly as possible. Once you've selected the appropriate brand and category, press OK. That will now assign it in the category field and that will be the team that receives this request. Now we are ready to move on to section 2. In this section, you will need to put the PO or SSCC number that the issue relates to. Once you've entered the PO or SSCC number, you will then need to put in the vendor details. This is linked as the vendor number. You can click on this section here and it will allow you to pick from the vendor listing. You can either type it in the filter or search it based on the information you see on screen, or click through the options here. Once you've selected the appropriate vendor, click OK. You will then have a comments field. In this section, please ensure you include as much information as possible to help the team directly assist you in a quick and fast turnaround time. Once you've filled in that information, you will then need to click either save or save and close, depending on how many jobs you need to log. Once you've hit save, you'll notice that it has actually said save successfully, and this will then post the job. That concludes our tutorial on how to enter a MASH request.